Hello, creatives. Greetings to everyone, and you're welcome to Gandro Graphics. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to properly enhance your designs, okay, to get a better quality. This is a design done using the Pixel Lab application, as you can see. So, I'm going to enhance the design for better quality, okay. So, let's dive into that. So now let's move into our Snapseed application. So this is a design which I'd enhance, okay? This is a design which I've enhanced. So I'm just going to open the raw file. Okay, this is the one which has not been enhanced. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So firstly, you see these are the presets, okay? These are the various presets which you find when you open, and you can use them, but most of the times I don't always encourage people to use these. You can still use them, but most of the times I don't always like to use them. Like pop can work for you, or this accentuate. So presets are already edits which has already been done by people, okay? The edits which have already been done by people, so they just saved it. So I'm not going to use any of them. So what we'll be doing here is we are supposed to click on tools, and we click on details, okay. So when we swipe, you see, either swipe up or we swipe down, we are going to see this option. We have structure and sharpening, okay. So structure works like increasing the elements of the design, like you see the images. It makes them more visible, okay. So let's reduce the structure a little, okay. And the next thing is we should increase the sharpening of the design. So you see, let's click on the check mark. When you long press, you see the before edit, and once you allow it, you see this is before. You allow it, you see the after, before and after. So you see how beautiful it is. And also you go back to tools, you come to tune image, you long slide, you see brightness. You can increase the brightness a little, okay. Maybe you can work on the contrast, so you just play around it based on what you want, okay. Will not add any saturation. You can add an ambience to the design. So you see, when you increase it all, this is what you get, okay. So we'll just add a little ambience to it, okay. And we have highlights. The highlight makes the areas which have a lot of light, it increases the light and makes that which it automatically increases the light. So you see where we have a light effect is at the middle, okay. So if I increase it at the to the end, this is what we are going to get. So I don't want this, going to just leave it, okay. So we can also add shadows. You see the effect that the shadow gives. So this is how you can properly enhance your design, okay, using the Snapseed application. So once you're done, you click on the check mark. So you see this is before, and you see this is after. So you see how it looks, really looks good. And what you're supposed to do next, so you can also save it as a preset. Like for example, the reason why it's important to save it as a preset, I can design this and then send it to the client, to my client, and the client asks me to change one or two things. So maybe in the course of a re-editing, you might forgot maybe the various things you use. Like let's say the ambience, maybe you set the ambience to 30, and in the course of re-editing it, you might now reduce it or maybe increase it, which you mean sending a particular design with different quality to your client. Okay, so you just need to click on looks, and you come at the end, you come right at the end, you click on this check mark, this plus, and then you give it a name. Let's just say church flyer, and you click on save. So this has been added to your preset. Okay, so let's just go back. Let me open it back, the raw file. Okay, and show you what I mean. Now let's just say I've made some changes on the design, and I've saved this. This is the design. Okay, this is the raw file. Let me see. Open. Click on open. I'm sure this is a raw file. Okay, so what you now do is you not need to go through that same process again. You just need to come to your looks at the end, and then you click. So automatically it adds the effect to your design. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, please, and ensure to leave a comment in the comment section and like the video, and also do well to share. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.